Hey guys, this is Kristos with Low Country Contractors. We're back over here at our Harbor Course project today where we're finishing up some of the installs we've got going on in our master bathroom. So let's go take a look and see what the guys have going on. So we've been able to install all our tile and get all the grout done now. As you can see, our niche has turned out beautifully. Now at this point we're just waiting for the glass to come in and we can finish up the rest of our fixture installs, get some lights in here, and have this thing looking really pretty. So we were just able to get our countertop and backsplash installed on our vanity over the past week. We've got some of our final paint now on the walls as well. You can see the colors coming out beautifully. We've also started to put in some of our new trim, as you can see around the doors, the new windows, as well as some more baseboard going in here. Thanks for stopping back at our Harbor Course project today. As we continue to get the rest of these installs done, we'll keep you all updated and have the finishing touches posted on here soon.